Hey, look, changed the little handle too. With your bare hands, see, it already wants to come out and not come out. Come listen to my podcast. So let's get both hands and get this puppy down. Giraffe, damn it. All right, so with both hands, made it so much easier. We lost one in the door, and that is somewhere right there. So we got to get this off first. And then we have 8 mils. One there, one there, one there, and one over here. So let's get them out and see what happens. So with more investigative work, I'm gonna get this rubber out after I popped all these pins out. You see? They're all just pushies. And the ones that want to stay behind, you see? What's the part number on that thing? Let's get that out too. No idea. But all I had to do was squeeze these in and pull that out. And I don't know if that's the part number for this plastic piece or the power handle. So what you gotta do? All you gotta do is push that in, and there you have it. So like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.